Hello, welcome to Shona Language reading lesson. With this lesson, we are going to start with the phonic sounds and we will learn how to read using the sounds. Right? Just like any other language, we start with the vowels, and once you master the vowels, we move on to the consonants. Right? The vowels we have are just the same with the English vowels. A, E, I, O, U, that is English, but in Shona, that's not the way how they sound. Their sounds are different. In Shona, we say A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Now we move on to the consonants. Right, with the consonants, they are slightly different from the way how they are pronounced in English, but it's not too different. When you listen, the more you listen to this lesson, the more you get the hang of it. The consonants we have B, it sounds like B. So when you combine B and A, B, A, Ba, 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 and then we combine B and E, Be, B, E, Be, B, I, B, B, I, B, B, O, Bo, B, U, Bu. So it becomes Ba, Be, Bi, Bo, Bu. Ba, Be, Bi, Bo, Bu. Ba, Be, Bi, Bo, Bu. We move on to the C sound. We don't have any Shona word with C that doesn't have the letter H with it. So any word in Shona that you see with the letter C, that starts with the letter C, has an H in front of it. So it makes the sound for C ch, ch. So we have ch, a, cha, ch, e, che, ch, I, chi, ch, o, cho, ch, u, chu. So we have cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. The sound for D, it's not D as we say it in English. It's D, kind of diluted. D, not D. So we have D plus A, da, de, di, do, do. Not da, de, di, do, do. No, that's not it. It is kind of diluted, so it becomes da, de, di, do, do. Da, de, di, do, do. Da, de, di, do, do. Now we have the F sound. So F and A, fa, F, E, fe, F, I, fi, F, O, fo, F, U, fu, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. If I say it faster, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Now we move on to the H sound. The sound for H, it's aha, aha. So ha plus a, ha, ha plus he, hi, ho, hu, ha, he, hi, ho, hu, ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Now we have this J sound. The J is just like English. J, j, a, ja, j, e, j, j, e, j, j, o, jo, j, u, ju, ja, j, j, jo, ju. The K sounds like English. We have the sound k, k, a, ka, k, e, ke, k, i, ki, k, o, ko, k, u, ku, ka, ke, ki, ko, ku, ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. And then we have the M sound, which is m, a, ma, e, me, I, mi, o, mo, u, mu. Then we have the n for N. N, a, na, n, e, ne, n, I, ni, n, o, no, n, u, nu. So we have na, ne, ni, no, nu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. We move on to the P sound. P, a, pa. P, e, pe. P, I, pi. P, o, po. P, u, pu. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Then we have the R sound. R, it's not like in English R. We vibrate the R and then it becomes R. R. So ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. The S, well, the S is the easy one. S, a, sa. S, e, se. S, I, si. S, o, so. S, u, su. Sa, se, si, so, su. Sa, se, si, so, su. Then we have the T. The T, it's simple. It's t, t, a, ta. T, e, te. T, I, ti. T, o, to. T, u, tu. So it becomes ta, te, ti, to, tu. Note that in Shona we have two sounds, the deep ta, te, ti, to, tu. And we have the da, de, di, do, do. Da, de, di, do, do. Da, de, di, do, do. Right? We have the V sound. V is diluted. It's not as thick as V. It's V, V, V. V, a, va. V, e, ve. V, I, vi. V, o, vo. V, u, vu. So we have va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Faster. Va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Va, the, vi, vo, vo. Va, the, vi, vo, vo. Now we have the w sound. W for W. W, w. Wa, a, wa. W, e, we. W, e, we. W, o, wo. W, u, wu. Wa, we, we, wo, woo. Wa, we, wo, woo. Then we have the Y sound. Just like in English, we have y, y. So y plus a, ya, ye, yi, yo, you, ya, ye, yi, yo, you. Then we have the Z sound for Z, for Z, the Z. So Z, a, za, ze, zi, zo, zu. Za, ze, zi, zo, zu. Za, ze, zi, zo, zu. So this is the complete list of the phonic sounds we have, and the next lesson we'll be learning making words, short words, using the phonic sounds. This is the end of the first lesson. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.